So here, Mom, we're on the Princess Cruises. We're in a bar next to the window, drinking our drink of choice.
Hot tea.
Hot tea.
It's breakfast tea.
My name is Fortuna Luck. I am your resident bingo host and painting expert here on board. And I am joined this morning by my resident bingo buddy and sidekick, Will
Oh, I got triple.
I got
two triples. Oh, who's gonna get the baby? Who's gonna get the most wilds here? All right.
All right, here we go.
The first one. All right, I got. All right, you got yours continuing. Mine, you got double here. That's the time you get to continue. All right, here we go. Oh, mine died. Okay, come on. We need dynamites. Dynamite. Nope, nothing for me. Oh, no, last chance for dynamite.
Good evening, Grand Princess. Thank you so much for that whistle. I'm blinded by the lights, but that's very generous. How are you all? Are you well? Oh, good. You sound full of beans and raring to go, which is what I like to hear.
'Cause you're a sky full of stars.
You guys wave great.
Yes. Welcome to 1-5 bar.
Excellent. It looks great.
10 o'clock. Yes.
All right.
We have our dance floor over there, and we have DJ.
Sounds good. Ooh, fancy. Great window.
I'm very honored to announce that I am going to be your bingo host for this week. We got several players one match away from bingo. Who is going to take it? Next ball. I-20.
Keep it going. All right, dynamite. All right, here we go. Come on, dynamite. Oh no! Oh no! I got my wild now. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. Did you get your dynamite? No. I did. Mine's continuing.
Good. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Big time. All right, looking for dynamite. Dynamite. But dynamite, oh no, one last chance if they get a dynamite here and dynamite here. Let's go. Come on, where's the dynamite? Oh.
We're going to start with some class and elegance and a little bit of rocking out. Are you in the mood for that? All right, well, say no more. Please, would you welcome to the stage, everyone. It's Chris Lash, ladies and gents.
Grand Princess, you ready to rock out tonight? Make some noise! Alright, I know you know the song. Yo, sing it with me now. Are you ready? Let's do it. She was just 17, desperation, grip balls of fire. Should we keep it going?
I think I scared everyone off the dance floor.
Bingo! All right!
Oh, I got a triple.
Oh, good job.
Alright, got a triple. Ready? Here we go. Come on, dynamites. Let's do some dynamites. Drop that dynamite. Oh. Come on, we need just one dynamite.
Yeah, there you go.
Now we got total 2 lines.
One in the front.
One in the front, a triple or double.
Baby, triple.
Alright. No dynamite. Oh. It's a win. It's a win, but we need a dynamites. Here we go. Dynamites. Go, go. Oh. It's a win though. Alright. Last chance. Come on, dynamites. There it is. That one at the end there. Excellent.
We got third up and ready. Another one at the end.
Just one more in the end there, and this could be good. We need a dynamite here. We need a dynamite here. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, guys. That's the dynamite. That's the dynamite. That's a good win. Alright, here we go. Getting intense. It's getting intense. Dynamite! Dynamite! I saw it! Oh, diamond! Alright, here we go. Last chance. We need a dynamite. We need a dynamite. Here, a dynamite. Dynamite. Right there. Dynamite. Oh. My ace is all the way across.
Here they come. Give some noise to Satori!
You better let somebody love you before it's too late.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Satori! They are Satori, everyone! Say good night!
It's a beautiful view, except it's raining window.
It's okay. Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal.